Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. My name's Kevin, we're in northern Spain, Galicia, and this episode starts yesterday. I wasn't going to play this footage, and there's reasons why I wasn't going to do it, and then I realized actually this is a fishing channel, and fishing channels are honest. And it's about me and my fishing adventures. So I thought, well, why not play yesterday's footage? Because it's just another fishing mission. There are some much closer parking spots. Oh, okay, let's do this again. Much better. Come on, big rig. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Fishing in a new spot for some new fish. We are at Santa Cristina Beach, and we got our long rod, 7'6" ultralight. We got some paddle tails, and we're gonna be fishing in estuary mouth for LUBINA. Now we've just had a change of tide, it's going low. The weather is touch and go. Take a look at those dark clouds up there. I'm really hoping that the storm cloud blows over. It's definitely gonna rain. I just don't want to get struck by lightning. We're basically here, so no better spot to have a little cup of morning coffee and a biscuit. Still steaming hot. Biscuits. Ooh. So in fact, that over there is the hospital where my daughter was born. And we had a beautiful view over this whole estuary mouth. And I was just thinking the whole time, like, man, I need to come and fish this place. I was also thinking about my daughter and my wife, of course, obviously, but I was thinking about fishing here. Let's get the rod. A massive shout out to my friend Sergio from Decathlon, hooking me up with all these lures. Dude, you really saved me there. I was in Decathlon looking for some lures to try something else, and Sergio came up to me, what a legend, and helped me out so much with what lures to use, what colors to use. Sergio, you are the man. And I'm gonna start off with these ones over here. These are little combo asadas, and the water is pretty clean, so I'm gonna go with the top one, the dark green color. Smash this coffee and get fishing. All right, tide is going out, so you can see this is a deep channel, getting a little bit lower there. This might be the perfect spot. See, the tide is taking it. Oi, 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 oi. There's a lot of weed coming out. A lot of weed. Oh my goodness, it is currently raining pretty bad. I must say we are getting a lot of weed, but that's all right. We're gonna keep fishing. It's raining, but we're good. Oi, that's Miles. Maybe a bit of twitching action. This morning's second cup of coffee and a breakdown of what's going on. We're getting a lot of weed and no bites, no takes just yet. For those of you that know this area and that fish this estuary mouth, your help would be greatly appreciated, because I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. I think what I am going to do is change colors to this white one. So out with the old and in with the new. Exactly the same model, except different color. All right, here we go. First cast on the new lure. White. I mean, maybe I'm reeling too slowly, maybe I'm reeling too quickly. Who knows? There goes my white lure. What is that, a wind knot? Holy sh! What the hell happened there? Second cast with that lure. All these beautiful shells along this beach. So nice to see shells and not trash. All right, so this is the last cast. Boom! Let's see, come on, the last cast. Alrighty, that is that. Well guys, that is it for this morning's fishing mission, Santa Cristina. First time fishing here, definitely won't be the last. I think there's a lot of potential there. I might be doing something wrong, who knows? Let me know, what am I doing wrong? Am I reeling in too fast? Am I reeling in too slow? Must I jig it a little bit more? Must I let it sink all the way to the bottom? Who knows? But that was awesome. That was a whole lot of fun. Glad to get out nice and early and do some fishing. If you like this type of fishing, let me know in the comments. Unfortunately, no fish today, but that's life, that's fishing. The most important thing is that you're getting outside, you're getting a bit of fresh air and just having a bit of fun. Have an awesome weekend, have an awesome day, have an awesome week, have an awesome month. Enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys on the next one.